limit, limit. So you will give it in brackets. Let us say 5. Again, we will continue in the next line. So again, no scratch. Okay, and again, scratch, scratch. Is it? No, no scratch and no empty. Okay. So these things are there, but we have opened our bracket over here, so we will just close it. Right? That's it. Now let us submit and see what. So you can see over here, max is 0. Okay, which means this gdg has been successfully created. What new.exp.gdg, right? This is your syntax of creating the gdg through program. Okay. Now, how will you find it? Equal to 3.4, you will go. Okay. Now here you will paste your new exp.gdg. Shall I give here S761, the volume serial?
No. No,
No,
sir.
we should. Yeah. So you can see new.exp.gdg has been created and the volume is nothing. It doesn't belong to any volume. So question mark. And if you try to open it, so you will see that gdg base or the tape entry has been, you cannot access. Like that, it will show. Now, how to create versions inside this? So let us go to 3.4 and jcl.pgms, pgm inside this, whatever we have. Okay, so S and then CRGDG. So what do you want to use? You can use anything. So let us create an IEFBR 14 using IEFBR. Okay. So I will say IEF job notify equal to ampersand sys UID. The next one is a double forward slash. Now, what do you want in the next step? Right? Step 1, exec PGM equal to IEFBR 14. Right? So how do you create? Right? Now, you have something called as what? A DD1, DD, the data set name you will give. Okay. So what you will give? Your new exp.gdg. Okay. New.exp.gdg, you are creating versions. So if you want to create a next version, you have to give it by giving +1. Okay. Now the disposition, what is it? You are creating a new one. So new CATLG and then delete. Okay. And then double forward slash. So here also you can give the DCB parameter. Okay. So the record format equal to fixed block, logical record length equal to 80, and the block size equal to 800. Give, and then let us give the unit equal to 68, right? And double forward slash the space parameter. Space parameter, like the TRK track 1, 1. Okay. Now over here, the same things like sys print pd sys out equal to star. Okay. So double forward slash sys out dd sys out equal star double forward slash sys in dd the dummy. So now if you create like sub submit and yeah, Anand, what?
No, Samantha.
Yeah. Yeah. So max is 0. So I have submitted one time. please see how many times I submit. So this is the second time. Okay, second time also it is successful. The third time also it is successful, and the fourth time also it is successful. So let me just see like a ds list and new.exp.gdg. I want to see all the generations, whatever it is created, in what way it is created. Enter. So now you can see that 4 times I have submitted, so it has created like 4 generations. Okay, you can see here G and then 3 zeros and 1, 3 zeros and 2, like the generation 1, 2, generation 3. But the version remains 00. So if you want to create new versions, you have to hard code it. In the IFBR's 14 only, you can hard code it. Okay. So how do you hard code it? I will show you. Let me do it like this. So Control C, and let me go back over here. Okay, let me insert. So if we want to create the 5th generation in that version 5, okay, so you can give here 05, okay, inside the 5th generation, right? Like this also you can give. So now let me submit it. Yeah, you can see max is 0. So like this, you can create a hard-coded versions. So let us just see whether it has been created or not. So you can see over here until 4 the versions were 00, and in the 5th generation we have the version 5. So up to here, do you have any doubts, guys? If you want to ask anything. So how does it behave? Okay, if I open this, it behaves just like your normal PF. So hi, I am a GDG. Okay, and you come back again, you open, it will behave just like your normal GDG. Okay, so what did you do? You created a GDG, okay, of version 1. So version 5, up till 5 you have created generations, right? Now if you want to create one more generation, then what will happen? What you have to give? Suppose I give +2, will it create 2 GDGs? Yeah.
No. No, sir.
Yeah. No. Okay. So we will submit. Okay. So this is 0. If we see, okay, that what GDG is created. So after the 5th one, it skipped the 6th one. 6th one is not created. Directly the 7th one is created. Okay. So this is the. Now, if you want to create the 6th one, is it possible? Anyone? I want the
Yes, sir.
generation 6.
Minus
How? Minus?
in place of +2 -1.
We can't create like that either. You have to give the complete
Yeah.
GDG name.
Yes. You
GDG
cannot create.
version.
No, no. You cannot create like that. You have to give the complete name. So what name you are giving, that complete name you are like this. So I want the 6th generation. So I will give 6. Okay. Then version inside that version 00. Now let me just submit and let us see whether 6 is created or not. Yes. So it is successful. And if we check, then 6 is generated. Now let me delete this 6th one. Okay. And let me just see whether whatever he told, is it right or wrong. Okay. Unless we can do it practically, we cannot prove it. So let me give -1 and let us see if it is new catalog delete or not. So now submit. So you can see there is a JCL error. Okay. Now if we go to the spool area, and you can see that was not executed because the disposition field is incompatible with the TSNA. Okay. Now I want to. Now what is the recent version? What is the recent version of the generation created? It is gdg7, I think. Yeah. So I
Yes,
want to
sir.
delete the sixth. Yeah, I want to delete the sixth one. So what I will do, I will make it like old, delete, delete. Right? Now if I submit, you can see it has been executed. So if we see over here, you can see there is no sixth version. Sixth version is gone. Okay. So those main things are there. And if you want, like, let me go back and let us see. Like we have 3, 4, and 7. I want to delete the third one. So what should I give over here? I want to delete the third generation. So what should I give over here?
-4.
Minus
Minus
-2.
2.
-2.
minus 2. Yeah. Why minus 2? Why minus 2? Minus 1 is the fourth one, minus 2 is the third one. So let us do it practically and let us see. So if we are giving here minus 2, then if I submit, you can see max is 0. And let us just see over here that 4 and 7 is there. The third one has been deleted. So this is the case about the GDG. Okay. Now, if you want to access the present one, okay, the seventh one needs to be deleted. Then what we have to do changes over here?
0.
Yeah. So the 0, the present one, you are accessing by giving 0. Okay. Hold, delete, delete. Now you save it and then submit it. So it will be equal. Okay. Now if we go and see the GDGs, you can see the seventh one has been deleted. Now, if you execute once again the 0, 1, which generation will be deleted?
Fourth one. The present. Only
Yeah.
one is there.
The
The fourth
yeah,
one will be.
yeah, only that will be deleted. So again, you can see only whatever is left that has been deleted.